In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run expense reports and work with them in QuickBooks, export these reports to Excel or CSV, and finally, import that data into TurboTax. This process will help streamline your financial management tasks, making tax preparation and bookkeeping more efficient. Let's begin by navigating to your QuickBooks dashboard. Once you're logged in, look for the Reports section on the navigation menu on the left side of the screen. Click on it, and you'll see a variety of report options available. For our purpose today, you'll need to choose Expense Reports. Selecting this will bring up a detailed overview of all your expenses within the chosen time frame. It's crucial to take a moment here and review this information to ensure everything looks correct, as the accuracy of your data is vital for later stages. Now, once you're satisfied with the report you've generated, the next step is to export this data. Look for the Export button or icon, usually located at the top right or bottom corner of the report. Click on it, and you'll be presented with options for exporting your data, typically either as an Excel sheet or a CSV file. Choose the format that best suits your needs. Excel is often preferable if you plan on doing manual data manipulation before importing it into another program, whereas CSV is simpler and more straightforward for direct imports. Follow the prompts to save the report onto your computer, and make sure you remember the location and the name of the file for easy retrieval later. With your expense report saved, we're ready to move on to importing this data into TurboTax. Start by opening TurboTax and navigate to the interface where you handle financial data import. If you're using TurboTax Online, log in and locate the section for Wages and Income, followed by selecting the option to add more income. Here you'll find the ability to import from other sources, including files. Select the option to import the file you previously saved from QuickBooks. If you've exported to Excel, you may need to first convert it to a CSV if TurboTax doesn't directly accept Excel files. Once ready, use the Upload feature to browse for and select your file. TurboTax will then guide you through the process of mapping your data, ensuring that it aligns with the categories and fields within TurboTax. This step is particularly important as it determines how well your imported data integrates into your tax forms. Finally, confirm that all the data has been imported correctly. Check for any discrepancies or alerts from TurboTax, which might indicate issues with your import. Address any such alerts by correcting data in either the imported file or within the TurboTax interface, ensuring everything is accurate before proceeding with your tax filing. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have successfully run expense reports in QuickBooks, exported them to Excel or CSV, and imported your data into TurboTax efficiently. I hope this walkthrough has been helpful for you. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.